Cut.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We're gonna cook mushroom.
I'm gonna cook mushroom.
Okay, slice it.
Okay. Mushrooms. Oh. Pieces. Mommy. Pieces.
Yes, 2 pieces.
2, 4, 7, 8, 4. It's 5.
Put there. It's yummy.
Okay. Okay. Mommy, I can't. I can't do this.
No, you just like this. Oh,
Like this?
yes. Look.
Look. Oh.
Oh no.
Sorry.
Oh, go.
Ouch.
Oh, you put 1 cup here. 1 cup of water. Yes. Pour it na, pour.
Part?
Yes. This one, pour here.
Okay. And what?
Yes, you put. More. More. Oh.
Okay.
Up, stop. Up, stop na. Stop. Enough.
Malunggay.
Hi guys, you put that in the mushroom?
Yes.
Oh, you get it na. This one, the malunggay.
Okay. This one?
Yes, you get na. Wow.
Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.
Put that in the mushroom.
Oh, that's right, Mommy. Guys, this is a mushroom.
You cook a mushroom. You are going to put that?
So,
What's that? What kind of vegetable is that?
it's fried vegetable. The veggie, you'll call it vegetable. But I
It's a leafy vegetable. It's malunggay.
It's a malunggay.